Ask your questions, and the hourglass shall answer, the timekeeper intoned.
Ilara hesitated for a moment before gathering her thoughts. Show me a moment from my past that shaped the person I am today, she requested. As the timekeeper turned the hourglass, the golden sand began to cascade, forming a mesmerizing pattern. Ilara watched in awe as scenes from her childhood unfolded, moments of laughter, moments of struggle, and moments of quiet introspection. The hourglass painted a vivid picture of the events that had sculpted her character. As the last grain of sand fell, the room returned to stillness. Ilara, deeply moved, thanked the timekeeper for the glimpse into her past. She felt a newfound appreciation for the journey that had brought her to the present moment.
Emboldened by this experience, Ilara posed another question: what does the future hold for me? The timekeeper, with a knowing smile, once again manipulated the hourglass. The golden sands danced in intricate patterns, revealing potential paths that lay ahead for Ilara. Some were bathed in the warm glow of success, while others navigated through challenges and growth. The hourglass presented a tapestry of possibilities, each strand woven with the threads of choice and consequence. As Ilara absorbed the visions of the future, she felt a sense of empowerment. The timekeeper guided her through the complexities of the sands, reminding her that the journey was hers to shape. Before leaving, Ilara had one final request: can you show me a moment that will bring profound joy to my future? With a gentle nod, the timekeeper once again set the hourglass in motion. This time, the sands revealed a scene of Ilara surrounded by loved ones, celebrating achievements and sharing moments of pure joy. The vision painted a picture of fulfillment, purpose, and a deep sense of connection. As the final grains of sand settled, Ilara felt a renewed sense of purpose and hope. The timekeeper, with a twinkle in their eyes, shared parting words of wisdom: remember, dear seeker, time is a river that flows, and you are the captain of your own vessel. Navigate it with intention, and the currents will guide you to the shores of your dreams. Ilara left the timekeeper's cottage, carrying the echoes of the hourglass with her. The Festival of Echoes continued, and villagers took turns seeking the wisdom of the timekeeper's hourglass. Each person, in their own way, discovered the magic held within the sands of time. As the years passed, Ilara embraced the lessons learned from the timekeeper. She navigated through the twists and turns of her journey, shaping her destiny with purpose and intention. The enchanted hourglass, though silent, continued to hold the timeless wisdom of the village, a beacon of guidance for generations to come. And so, in the heart of the quaint village, the timekeeper's hourglass stood as a symbol of the interconnectedness of past, present, and future, a reminder that time, like a flowing river, carried the stories of those who dared to seek the echoes of their own existence. Title: The Harmony of Seasons. In a picturesque town surrounded by rolling hills and meadows, there stood a magical garden known as the Harmony Grove. This garden was unlike any other, for it possessed the extraordinary ability to bring forth the essence of each season in perfect harmony. The guardian of this enchanting place was an elderly woman named Clara, who held the key to balance the ebb and flow of nature's wonders. As the seasons changed, so did the landscape of Harmony Grove. In spring, the garden burst into a riot of colors, with blossoms and flowers carpeting the ground. Summer brought warmth, and the garden transformed into a vibrant tapestry of greenery and sun-kissed blooms. Autumn draped the grove in hues of red, gold, and orange, as leaves pirouetted gracefully to the ground. Winter bestowed a serene calmness, casting the garden in a glistening blanket of snow. Clara, with her silver hair and eyes reflecting the wisdom of ages, tended to Harmony Grove with utmost care. She understood the delicate balance required to maintain the harmony of the seasons, ensuring that no single season overstayed its welcome. The townsfolk marveled at the ever-changing beauty of the magical garden, blissfully unaware of Clara's unique role in orchestrating the dance of nature. One year, as the town prepared for its annual harvest festival, an unexpected event occurred. A mysterious storm enveloped Harmony Grove, causing the seasons to collide in a chaotic whirlwind. Spring flowers bloomed amidst autumn leaves, and snowflakes fell alongside summer rain. The once harmonious garden became a kaleidoscope of confusion. Worried townsfolk sought Clara's guidance. The garden, once a source of joy and inspiration, now seemed out of sync. Clara, realizing that an imbalance had disrupted the delicate harmony, took it upon herself to restore order. With a heavy heart, Clara ventured into the heart of Harmony Grove, where the magical energies intertwined. She called upon the spirits of the seasons, seeking their guidance and understanding. The spirits, embodied in ethereal forms, appeared before her, spring as a sprite adorned with flowers, summer as a radiant sunbeam, autumn as a gentle breeze with leaves dancing in its wake, and winter as a serene snowflake. The spirits shared their concern for the garden, acknowledging the unintended disruption caused by a wayward storm spirit. To restore balance, Clara would need to embark on a quest to seek the storm spirit and persuade it to harmonize with the natural rhythm of the seasons. Armed with a sense of purpose and the wisdom of the seasons, Clara set forth on her journey. The townsfolk, grateful for her commitment to restoring Harmony Grove, watched as she disappeared into the swirling vortex of the magical garden. Clara's quest led her through meadows, across babbling brooks, and into the heart of enchanted forests. Along the way, she encountered manifestations of the seasons, each presenting challenges that tested her resolve and wisdom. Clara faced the fiery trials of summer, navigated the maze of swirling autumn leaves, embraced the tranquility of winter's hush, and reveled in the renewal of spring's bloom. Finally, at the summit of a mystical mountain, Clara found the storm spirit. The spirit, a tempestuous force swirling with lightning and thunder, acknowledged Clara's presence with a crackle of energy. "Why disrupt the harmony of the seasons?" Clara asked, her voice carrying the weight of centuries. The storm spirit, feeling misunderstood and abandoned, explained that it sought attention and acknowledgement. Clara, with her gentle demeanor, listened intently, understanding the spirit's desire to be part of the grand dance of nature. With words as soothing as a summer breeze, Clara spoke of the importance of each season playing its part, of the unique beauty they brought, and the necessity of working together to create the symphony of Harmony Grove. The storm spirit, moved by Clara's wisdom and kindness, agreed to harmonize with the seasons. Clara, accompanied by the now cooperative storm spirit, returned to Harmony Grove. The townsfolk, eager to witness the restoration of the magical garden, gathered in anticipation. Clara, standing in the heart of the grove, channeled the essence of the seasons, inviting their spirits to once again dance in perfect harmony. As Clara raised her hands, the chaotic whirlwind subsided, and a gentle breeze caressed the garden. Spring flowers bloomed in synchrony with the arrival of summer rays. Autumn leaves, touched by the golden glow of sunlight, floated gracefully to the ground. Winter snowflakes gently descended, completing the grand spectacle. The townsfolk, witnessing the miraculous transformation, erupted in cheers and applause. Clara, with gratitude in her eyes, thanked the spirits of the seasons and the now harmonized storm spirit. The garden, bathed in the beauty of the four seasons working in unison, became a symbol of resilience, balance, and the enduring magic of nature. From that day forward, Harmony Grove thrived, and Clara continued to be its guardian. The townsfolk, inspired by the events that unfolded, learned to appreciate the cycles of nature and the importance of harmony in their own lives. And so, in the quaint town surrounded by rolling hills and meadows, the tale of Clara and the harmony of seasons became a cherished legend, passed down through generations as a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in the dance of life. Title: The Library of Lost Tales. In a small town nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there stood a peculiar library known as the Library of Lost Tales. The library was unlike any other, for it housed stories that had been forgotten, abandoned, or lost to the passage of time. It was a sanctuary for narratives seeking refuge from the oblivion of neglect. The librarian of this extraordinary repository was a kind-hearted woman named Amelia. With silver-streaked hair and eyes that held the wisdom of countless tales, Amelia welcomed both the living and the forgotten with equal warmth. She believed that every story, no matter how obscure, deserved to be cherished. One day, a young woman named Lila entered the Library of Lost Tales. Lila, with an insatiable thirst for stories, had heard whispers about this mysterious place where forgotten tales found solace. Intrigued, she stepped through the creaking door and into the library, where the air was filled with the nostalgic scent of aging books. Amelia, sitting behind a worn wooden desk stacked with ancient tomes, looked up and smiled at Lila. "Welcome, seeker of stories. What tale brings you to our humble abode?" she inquired.
Lila, with a spark in her eyes, expressed her desire to explore the forgotten stories, to breathe life into narratives that had been left in the shadows. Amelia, sensing the genuine passion in Lila's words, nodded and gestured toward the shelves that seemed to stretch into infinity. Venture wherever your heart guides you, and you may stumble upon tales waiting to be rediscovered, Amelia advised.